Wait, this is a lot of data to look through. It's a lot of events. So we're going to, well, basically every list item here in this list, we're going to put inside of our events list. So, let's see, what was the asset events? Okay. Or no. For asset event in asset events, we're going to add it to the events list. Okay. So now here we're going to see what the data frame looks like. Whoops, we're going to just look at first row. The heck? Yeah. Why doesn't that work? Oh, so it's a list. It's a list where it messes up. Okay. Interesting. So it already gives it to us. Okay, we're gonna see if data is, if it's a dictionary, then we're gonna say data is equal to data asset events. Because if it's a list, it's not going to have that. All right. So we're going to call this asset events, actually. Take that out. And then again. The heck? Strange. Why? Right there. Okay, asset events again. Why isn't it there? Ah, request was throttled. Interesting. So we want to add some sort of timeout. So let's say we want to sleep for 0.2 of a second. And then maybe we won't have this issue. There we go. Nice. Okay, so where's our data frame? Twenty-four columns. Let's see what these columns are. All right. All right, I'm getting a snack. Hungry. Okay. We're going to take it easy on OpenSea. What we're going to do is we're going to save this data frame to some sort of test file or a data frame file. So we're going to do this. Okay. So we're going to add a test folder. And let's do this. All right. All right. So I'm going to play with this data a little bit. We're going to read JSON, and then let's do Cryptopunks. Okay. Okay. We're just gonna print out the first. We're gonna basically get the records from this data frame. What? Just heck. Okay. Print records. I'm gonna get the first one. Whoops, not what I was wanting to do. I'm going to create another terminal here. And let's, oh wow, just initialize it for me. Cool, cool. All right, so that is our first record. Now, what do we want to do with this? So if we're wanting to analyze sales, let's look at the event types. Okay, so we have transfer, 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 entered, entered, withdrawn, entered. So let's say we only want the transfer events, because I'm guessing that's when, maybe that's when a sale happened, I'm not sure. So let's look at df.query. Event type is equal to transfer and place equal to true, and then let's look at the records. All right. Quantity 1. Starting price, it's not available. Total price not available. transaction. So let's look at this. That's the block hash. Where's the transaction hash? All right, there we go. So let's look up this transaction. All right, so how do we look at the transactions? Okay, let's look at that for example, and then, all right, so here is a transfer event, the ether price. So that right there, oh, that's just the price. Value 0. Maybe this was a, let's look at the first one here. So assets, let's change that to 1. Okay. All right, so I guess a transfer and a sale, these are two separate things. So we don't want to look at the transfer events. So how do we retrieve historical transactions? Because it didn't seem like they showed up in here. There's only, about 6 events here, or 7. So how do we get the sales events? Maybe, I'm not sure what this offset and limit means. Let's see here. Let's see here. How do we retrieving events? Okay. Event type. So I guess we can query for the event type. Successful. So that's what we're looking for. Successful. So we're going to pass that in. Get contract events, and we're going to have an optional keyword parameter called event type, and that's going to be successful. So we're going to have an event type is event type. All right. Now, let's see if we get any events out of that. Not that one. 2. That. Asset events. Nothing. Why? For none of them. Let's try it for a different CryptoPunk. Maybe we do it for one that was most recently sold, recently listed. We're just gonna view all, sort by recently sold. So this guy, 4609. I'm gonna try that. Was it? Gosh, bad memory. 4609. Okay. 4609. And sales. Alright, so we got something. So I'm guessing this has something to do with maybe the API is only tracking events that have occurred, recently. I don't know. But we're just going to use this as the example. But yeah. Alright, so we should have our data set now because we saved it to here. So we want to make sure that's successful. And then let's look at, we got to switch. All right, so here is our first record. So we have here price, US dollar price. Is that how much Ethereum is right now? No way. Wow. Nice. I love it. All right. Anyway. How do we find... Okay, is there like a value of some sort? You know what, it'd be easier just to prettify that a little bit. So we're gonna say record is equal to records that, and we're gonna say for kv and record.items. We're going to, the heck, print kv, then print new line. Okay. All right, total price. Is that really what it is? Total price. Let's see if that matches up in here. Where are you? Sale 17 Ether and 49. Okay, so does that match? Yes, 1749. Sure with this. Okay, I'm guessing this is the way price. So we gotta later convert that to Ether. But this looks right. Okay.